How's it going? I'm here in Jeju City on Jeju Island, South Korea, just south of the Korean peninsula. A warm day, but at least cooling down with the breeze coming off the sea here. Not a whole lot of people around. Kind of a quiet afternoon. Going to get started walking in this direction. There is a nice view of the harbor and the ships on the harbor there, and some restaurants serving fish and seafood. I've been here for just a couple of days, actually just yesterday and today, and then I'm leaving tomorrow. And so I'm not getting a great experience of all that Jeju Island has to offer. I looked at Google Images and some videos and stuff, and there's a lot to see on this island, just the way that it worked out with my plans. Then I just had a couple of days. Basically, you really need to rent a car to be able to properly see the island, and so I'm missing out, but that's the way it goes. So I just wanted to at least give a little taste of the city here. This is the main city on Jeju Island. So I'm just going to walk around here, nothing too fancy, just kind of show you some of the sights and what to see here. A diver there getting some seafood. No fishing, no food, no littering, no smoking. No food, no eating here, I guess. That's kind of silly, it seems like, but...
Hey!
Hello! How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Good. So where are all the people? It is middle of summer, and this is a big vacation destination, and even walking around the town, as you'll see, it's just dead. So I don't really know what's going on, if most people are other places outside of the city, or... And so here is this line of restaurants. Well, this is actually chicken, old style fried chicken. I did have fried chicken a few days ago in Seoul, and it was really good. Huge portion, basically like that, just a big pile of fried chicken. And then most of these are seafood restaurants. But as you can see, not many people sitting and eating. I think for now it's just because it's too early. And so here's the harbor. I was here yesterday and there were a bunch of fishermen standing on that rock right there, but not today. And so this is the little carnival that I showed in my other video about the Korean barbecue. It's almost 6 in the evening, but I'm sure later in the evening things will be more happening. There's a few more people here now than there was yesterday. And so I'm going to find a restaurant. I'm hungry. Look for some good Korean food. And so this is another seafood restaurant. But I kind of wanted to try bibimbap. And so I don't see it on the restaurant there. So I'm going to keep looking around. So here we got Oh, I love gimbap. Dried squid, sauri and peanuts, gobeng and somen, wings and rods, spicy seafood, shrimp ramen noodle. I'm not sure this place is actually open though. All right, keep on exploring around here. Check this out, we got some big old squids. That's something you can't do with just any camera. One of the advantages of a GoPro. Definitely not going to eat here. But I stopped at the seafood restaurant that I pointed out before, and it still isn't open. I'm having a hard time finding a restaurant that's open, so obviously they eat very late here. And so I'm going to walk away from the sea there. There's an area here, several blocks of like walking streets and kind of a outside mall where I had a hard time finding a restaurant even later in the evening. My first night here, I ended up eating at a Chinese restaurant that was really good, at least. But that doesn't look open there. So it is exactly 6 in the evening on a Friday. And this is like the central shopping mall. Not a lot of people around. A few. I'm sure that after the sun goes down, it will be a lot more happening. It was when I was here 2 nights ago. But they're obviously staying out of the sun. All right, now can I find a restaurant other than that Chinese one? Currywood. That's hilarious. As in Bollywood, Hollywood, I guess. But that is not Korean food. Okay, now this looks like Japanese food. Ooh, that looks like bibimbap. Let's see if they're open. That's it right here.
해시나랑 물냉면이랑 포장이요.
I see, that's how it's done. Tax-free Junggang Shopping Mall. It is a underground shopping mall. Going to go take a look. I don't need to do any shopping, but nice and cool in here. $9 for t-shirts or button up like polo shirts. And so this is the street that goes up to my hotel. Heading back there, gotta get back to work, editing my next video. Try not to get behind here. And so the bibimbap there was only 6,500 Korean won. Amazing deal. That is only $6 for everything there. There is no tipping in Korea, so no tip, so just $6 straight up for a big and extremely good meal. I liked all of the sides this time. And so is Jeju City worth visiting? My honest review is I wouldn't say it's worth going out of your way just to see Jeju City here. It's, you know, it's interesting, it's worth walking around and checking out, but not spectacular. But from what I understand, then the island of Jeju is definitely worth a visit. A lot to see, beaches, waterfalls, kind of the Hawaii of South Korea. But I guess you'll have to watch some other videos to get a feel for what the rest of the island is like, because tomorrow I'm hopping on a flight to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I've been to Malaysia before, it's been a long time. That was 2010, 8 years ago. But I'm only going there for a couple of days. So my Asian adventure here is actually wrapping up. I have to head back to the United States to attend to a family matter. And so there will be a few more videos coming, but I'm not exactly sure how much more filming I'm going to do. I'll definitely try to get something in Malaysia, and then we'll see after that. But I have more plans for later in the summer. I will talk about that later, so stay tuned, and there will be more coming eventually. All right, see ya.